Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is with me, Mr. Said. In this video, I'm going to introduce to you with the concept of cross-culture understanding. In Bahasa Indonesia, we call it as pemahaman lintas budaya. The course of cross-culture understanding is intended to provide you with theories and concepts that relate to the way we understand different culture in this world. 3 countries that will be the focus of our study, they are United States of America, Australia, and England, or the United Kingdom. We are going to talk about USA in the perspective of Asian students, as well as we would like to see what it means to be an Australian with the Aboriginal people and the issue of the Brexit in the United Kingdom. In some part of the study, we also talk about what it means with the European Union, and we're going to approach those issues in the perspective of an Indonesian student. Because you are dealing with the study of English language in the notion of English as a foreign language, you need to understand the position of English in the international sphere. You also learned some new understanding of relevant concepts in the form of what it means to have misunderstanding, and then what factors that contribute to the existence of the misunderstanding. Besides, we are also going to talk about cultural conflict. As a short glimpse toward our course, cross-cultural understanding is designed to teach you about current or emerging issues happening around us, especially in the international scheme. Often, people coming from different cultures would like to have a different way of understanding culture. For example, Japanese like to have a tea drinking in a very spiritual concept or spiritual ceremony, while in Indonesia, drinking tea is considered only as a daily need that most people do in their life. Not only in terms of foods, I'm going to share with you my experience as well as an international student when I visited the United States of America. In the country, I met with many international students coming from different countries. We're going to discuss, and you can also ask me questions that relate to what it means to be the majority or minority. However, you also need to understand that in a plural country like the one that we have in Indonesia, there is no terms as majority or minority, because the two terms are only existing in the concept of quantitative, while we also need to address the qualitative aspect of what it means to be a citizen of a country. We're going to have 16 meetings in this course, so please do read the journals that I assigned to you. And if you have any questions, please write down your questions, comment, and feedback in the comment section below. I would be very happy to talk about it with you. And please also submit your assignment on time. Thank you and have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.